Say goodbye to rice. Learn how to make soft and fluffy millet idlis without rice or poha. A perfect recipe for weight loss, diabetes, and healthy living. This high fiber, gluten free recipe is easy to make and keeps you full for longer. Namaste, friends. Welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle, your home for healthy living, yoga, and Sathvik recipes. In this video, I would like to share a super healthy, soft and spongy millet idli without rice and poha, and also a healthy chutney recipe. Let us start the recipe. Here I have taken half cup of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds in a bowl. Adding water and rinse it thoroughly till the water runs clear. Soak it in water for 4 to 6 hours. If the temperature is very cold, use warm or hot water for soaking for better results. Here I have taken 1 cup of kodo millet. You can use any millet of your choice, preferably unpolished one. Millets are nutritionally superior to rice and wheat. Because of high protein, high fiber, high mineral content and low glycemic index, they are used in weight management and diabetic management. Now transfer this into chutney jar and pulse it to 3 to 4 times till you get coarse powder or like rava consistency. It is millet rava. Now transfer it to another bowl and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Sorry for the bad video quality. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked dal and methi mixture to mixie jar and blend it to smooth paste. You can use soaked water for grinding. Use minimum water and grind it to form thick paste. Paste should be very smooth and transfer to a large bowl. Drain the water from millet rava. And add it to the batter. Give a good mix. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and mix thoroughly. Allow it to ferment for overnight. Next day morning, batter has fermented well. Grease idli molds with the desi ghee or any cold pressed oil. Pour the batter and steam cook for 15 minutes. Fermented foods like idli are light and easy to digest. They are rich source of vitamin B12, folic acid, and they help the body to absorb more minerals like zinc and iron. They are rich with good gut-friendly bacteria or probiotics that improves the gut health and keep the stomach healthy. They have a low glycemic index and they are helpful in diabetic management. At the same time, we shall prepare a healthy chutney for idli. Heat coconut oil or any cold pressed oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, urad dal, coriander seeds and red chili. You can increase or decrease the number of red chili as per your taste and roast them on low flame till dal turns golden brown. Transfer it to a plate. Into that same kadai, add 10 to 12 Mexican mint leaves. It is also called as Doddapatre ele in Kannada. It is commonly used to treat cold and cough in small children and is rich with antioxidants and high in iron. It is done now. Take 1 cup of grated fresh coconut in a chutney jar. Add roasted spices and Mexican mint leaves. Add peanut-sized tamarind. With sufficient water, grind it to form smooth paste. Transfer it to a bowl. Add water and adjust the consistency. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a good mix. Now we shall give one tadka. For this, heat coconut oil, add mustard seeds and broken red chilli. When they splatter, add it to the chutney. Super healthy Mexican mint chutney is ready to serve. It goes well with idli, dosa and hot steaming rice. Now idli has cooked well. Allow it to cool for a few minutes. Super healthy, soft and spongy millet idli without rice and dal and Mexican mint chutney is ready to serve. Friends, do try this recipe and let me know how it has turned out. See you in the next video. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.